Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Uriel Hernandez, and in this video we are going to learn how to convert types in another types in PLSQL. So let's start. First of all, as you can see in other videos, we are using these lines to comment. This is a comment. This is a comment in one line, so line comment. For example, if you do a select right here, you can notice that there is not a comment anymore. If you use these characters to do a comment, this is a multi-line comment. Click enter, you type a select. As you can see, the comment continues, so you need to close this line. So this is a multi-line comment. This is the correct format, so right here. Okay, and this one is also useful when we need to print DBMS output put line. This is the one that we're using in all the videos, so I think we are good. We write our begin section, and we also need the declare section. We are going to use some variables, so we need those sections, and we need the last part of our block, end. First of all, we need to declare a number variable. We are to initialize with number 4. I'm missing the data type number. Okay. We need to concatenate the value of the variable. We run the script. Okay, remember we need to go to the view and open DBMS output. We need to select our connection right here. Okay, run the script, and here we have 4. But what happened would you have? I will to overwrite this with a select 5. This number is in a format, is in a text format, so into number from dual table. So as you can see, there is an implicit conversion right here, text to number. But what happens if we do with an scale? you can see there is an implicit conversion between text and number. Obviously, if you use this kind of text, I think it's gonna raise an error. Okay. PLSQL numeric or value errors. So you just need to use numbers. Okay, we're going to start with this function. Select to number. Now, for example, we are going to choose with this format, and we need to choose this format contains 2 decimals, so if we add another one, we need to specify that we need to add a third decimal. So we also can express a currency with this letter. As you can see, here is the result. If we remove this, an error is raised. So when you have this currency character, you need to specify that so that the statement can run without any problem. So we need to clean this output, and we can also use a group marker. So if we don't specify any format, we try to run this, so it's invalid number. You need to specify that this is a format that you want to apply to this number. You need to apply a 1000 group marker, so that's correctly, and here is your result. You need to say that you need to apply this format to this function. Okay, so that's how the function to number works and converts this text to number. The next is gonna be to char. Okay, we need to clean it, and we need to change we're going to print this variable, and the function needs to be changed for this one to char. We run the script, we have a compilation error, so we are just missing the length. In this case, we are going to choose Okay, here we have a number with 3 decimals. In the format we are just using 2, so in the results you can see there is just 2 decimals as we define in our template. If we add another decimal from the script, here we have all the decimals right here. Okay, then I will just print this number 1, 2, 3. We need to clean the output, and here we have 3 digits, so I will use this format: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. As you can see, there are 6 zeros, so as you can see, my 3 digits, but with some mask. Okay, if we add another digit in the number, we are going to see 2 zeros and then our number. As you can see, here we have. Okay, you can also apply this to the date, and we need to specify the format. So for example, we are going to use TT and JJ. Here we have, that's the today's date. Let's clean this, and I want the full year, so here we have the full year. Okay, and if we select the month, this is the current month of this date. Remove this, we clean the output, we run the script. This is also an implicit conversion because we are storing date into varchar. Okay, we need to go to the next conversion function to date. Obviously, we are going to change this to be date. We're going to use a date format. We need to print our variable, clean the output, and we're going to select sys date. So I think we won't have any problems, that's right. But what happens when we try to select this string date into a date variable? So that's correct, but if we change 22, also correct because that's the default format. So for example, all of these are implicit conversions. But what happens when we are using okay, this is raising an error because the engine is not working with this format. We are trying to pass this format 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, this is going to be day and this is going to be month. So we need to choose the function to date. And we just need to provide the format that we want: 1, 2, 3, 4 for year, 2 for days, and 2 for months. Okay, let's comment this one. Okay, the output, and this should be successful. You have as you can see, the engine is pointing in a different format because it's the default format that the engine is working with. So as you can see, the 13 is at the first and here is in the middle, but this is the default format that the engine works with. Okay, we can change the delimiters, but again they are going to be shown in this format because it's the default format. So okay, and also we can remove delimiters, so this is gonna be the same date, but we need just to specify the format that we are entering. Okay, this raised an error because I was selecting this part, but we need to run all the script. Okay, once again it's correct. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, share the video, like and subscribe. We will see in the next video.